Ukraina, Shakhtar Donetsk, Ukraina. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's your boy Wabbit, and today it's about tech. It's about my first UEFA Champions League experience. Man, as you can see, I got a souvenir. Going to support Shakhtar Donetsk, even though they lost. But still, going to watch a football match. Not any football match, but UEFA Champions League live. It's mind blowing. You can see how I'm dressed, man. Black man in the cold man's land. I was freezing to death. I was like, the place was cold, but still it was worth it. I was strapped on, man. You know, protected. I had my hoodie on. I was freezing, but still, man, the energy at the field, the energy was like just, man, unless you experience it, I don't even know the words to use, unless you experience it, was mind blowing. The energy I felt there wasn't a joke. But like just before I even started, like I should even mention this first. Thanks to a very good friend of mine, Canon Eos. Thank you very much for getting me the tickets. Much love from your boy Wabbit. So, guy, I called my Uber. Man, this Uber was taking long. Man, it was like about 4 minutes. The Uber wasn't coming. It was getting to time. It was like, I think it was almost 9:30. I was like, gosh, I'm going to be late. Yeah. Finally, Uber came, jumped on board. Whoa, straight to the stadium. I got there, and God, like, Ukrainians are the nicest people I've met in my life. See, like, the way everyone wants to take a picture with you, everyone is, I think I'm a star. I felt like I'm one of the footballers, but damn, it's just like they have that kind of, I don't know, like they're open to people, like they are kind, they're good. You can, I didn't even know where to go. First time going to the stadium is too big. First time going to the stadium is too big. I didn't even know where to go. I don't know where to pass. It's code, it is written in Russian. I don't understand, or is it Ukrainian? I don't know, but man, these Ukrainians are just good. Asking the guy, he doesn't even speak English, but just ask him, just show him the ticket, you show him where you are going to. They are ready to help you. Like this really made me to like really experience Ukrainians, like how kind and good and warm-hearted they are. Well, it's a nice experience, guys. Like I don't even know what to say anymore. When I got there, after checking and everything, I got into the stadium, was boom, man, I was lost. Didn't even know what I'm going right or left. So this then asking which sector. I looked around, someone said, yeah, here. Went there, saw some guys sitting down, where's my seat? They showed, oh, climb there, go there. Like everything was, and they're ready to help, everything was just easy. I got my seat and the whole place was packed full. Like in Africa, I've been in a like African Cup of Nations before when I was small. I was in like 2008, yeah, Can 2008. It was a nice experience, but the park wasn't full like this. This was completely full. Like if you sit in the wrong seat, the person come and tell you to get out from their seat. That's how full it was. So you have to like sit in your right seat, and everybody's like shouting, Shakhtar Donetsk, Shakhtar Donetsk, Molodets, oh man. You guys, I'm talking too much. But like, I just had to do this video, let you guys know my first experience, my first UEFA Champions League experience. Man, I'm not gonna miss any other match. Any match that's coming to Ukraine, even if it's gonna be 10,000 hours for me, dude, I'm going to watch that match. It's not every, you watch football on the screen, yeah, like you see everything now, and you don't miss the goals and things like that. But on the field, it's a whole different experience. It's not about the football you're watching, but it's about the people around you. I don't know if you're getting me. Like, are you really getting, I understand what I'm saying? Am I making sense? Is there any comprehension out here? Like, come on. The whole point is, when people are shouting, blowing the horns and this and that, like, that experience, man, unless you actually go and watch a match and experience this, you really know what I'm talking about. It's different watching on telly. Watching on telly, yes, you see everything, replays and stuff. But here, if you miss something, it's gone unless you go back home and watch the replay. But yeah, you don't even care because you're there shouting, Shakhtar Donetsk, and like to see De Bruyne, to see Sterling, Gundogan, like to see those top guys watch on telly, to see them in person, and the way they move with the ball and things. Gosh, I'm talking too much. Let me just end this video here. Man, it's your boy Wabbit. I just have to end it here because if I'm going to talk, I think I can spend the whole year just talking about this first experience. Yeah, some of you like, well, it's no big deal, blah blah blah. But it's a big deal to me. It's a big deal to me, and I got my souvenir too. Always remember it. Man, they say the little things that counts. The little things that counts. This is gonna be part of my life till I die. And I'ma tell my kids the experience I went through going to watch my first UEFA Champions League. Man, at this point, it's your boy Wabbit, and peace, double rock on. You know what that means? Double bachenya.